guys, welcome back to another video on my channel. So in today's video I am going to prepare crushed plantain for my lunch. Before I go into this video, guys, I am just here to say thank you guys for subscribing. My new subscribers, thank you very much for subscribing, and for the subscribers that has been with me on the journey, thank you very much. From the start of the journey, thank you very much, well appreciated. So I know I have not posted anything in a while now, but I have lost interest in YouTube. Yes, people, I have lost interest because sometimes, you know, you really want to post, and the next minute you don't have the strength, you don't have any interest in trying to do any video, you just don't have any interest. But I know that is a phase and everyone go through that at times, and I am going to overcome it because YouTube is something that I love and I enjoy doing it, but I don't know, I just can't bother. I cannot be bothered, so I just want to let it stay for now. But you know, I still have to refresh up back the channel, because at the end of the day I have people on here that been supporting me, that always support me every time I post, and I must say I am very much appreciative of that. So I just have to do what I have to do. So you know, I catch the bad flu that is going around. People, if you don't catch it, try not to catch it, because the flu is nasty bad. Scratch throat, all of them something there. And it's like sometimes you're taking the pill, you're using Vicks to rub your throat, you're using everything, alcohol, and you're just not getting better. But I am recuperating now though. I am feeling way better than the few days. So I am coming on. And hopefully that flu you left me quick to come and get tired of it. I'm tell a girl tired of it, girl tired of it. But anyway, I'm going to chat out my time. I'm going to go into the kitchen now, go prepare my lunch because I'm hungry. I'm going to eat nothing substantial from there. So big up on yourself and continue to support the Empress. People, I know some part of my head are cut off, but the gimbal give me a problem. I just can't deal with it right now. You know what the gimbal by, and it's that give trouble, so you know, just working with it as it is. So people, me the era record, didn't even realize that I didn't press video. When me look on the phone, I realized that the thing not recording. So these are in the pot, so that is it. Can't wait to have it. For a long time I don't eat some nice crushed plantain. This is one of my favorite too, and I am going to have it with sardine. So guys, this is the finished product of my lunch. My sardine and my what do you call it? The crushed plantain. Me all have to get the name. Me excited and me can't wait to go eat it. Look healthy with the little tomatoes on the side. So you guys, if you have reached this far in the video, please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and tell a friend to tell a friend about Roots Girl channel. And people, as I said earlier, I didn't get a chance to video most of it because the phone I run out of space. I have to be deleting while I am recording. You know, I can't bother with that stress this. So I'm just video what I can video. So I hope you have reached this far though, and I hope you enjoy the video. Peace out, bless upon yourself, and stay blessed. Whatever you are doing, put God in the midst, because without God we are nothing.